to Ruger Tech Tips. Today we're going to reassemble the Ruger AR-556 rifle. As you begin, you want a good, clean, well-lit work surface. You want to make sure the area is free of any live ammunition. And you want to, of course, wear a good pair of safety glasses. We're going to start with a bolt carrier assembly. And we'll do the bolt first. We're going to install the extractor into the bolt, and that uses a little solid pin. Make sure the extractor has a little O-ring installed on it. We're just going to compress the extractor into the bolt and install the solid pin. You may need the back of a punch just to make sure it's seated flush. Make sure that the gas rings, that the gaps do not align with each other when you install this in the carrier. The bolt goes into the rifle with the extractor on the ejection port side of the carrier. And this may go in with a little bit of a snap because of the gas rings. Our cam pin has two straight sides and two slightly rounded sides. The cam pin goes in so the straight sides are parallel to our key. Once the cam pin goes in, you can just rotate that half a turn. That will allow us to install our firing pin from the bottom. Next, we put in the cotter pin, and you may need a punch to push in one leg to seat that cotter pin fully. We're going to install our charging handle up at the top of the receiver. It will click in place, and bring it forward just slightly. Make sure your bolt assembly is fully forward inside the carrier. Install both of those into the upper receiver and make sure the charging handle and the bolt is locked in fully. Our buffer and buffer spring go in next, and you want to make sure you seat that fully. You have to make sure that you put the buffer and buffer spring in. If you forget to do that and install the bolt assembly, the bolt can go back into the charging tube. Once those are assembled, we can close our action and insert and close our takedown pin. We're going to install our handguards next. Make sure that the delta ring is fully unscrewed. We'll do the top handle first, and then the bottom handle. And these go in a little bit snug, so if you push forward and up, it'll snap in place, and then screw this ring in. Do not over-tighten the delta nut. It is easy to screw on too tight, and then it makes it very difficult to remove later. That's it. You have successfully reassembled your Ruger AR-556 rifle. Thanks for watching Ruger Tech Tips.